Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration, UG level in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to discuss the topic called geo-marketing. What is meant by geo-marketing and what are the types available under the geo-marketing? What are the benefits comes under the geo-marketing? Okay, let us start with the definition of geo-marketing. Geo-marketing is nothing but we are going to sell and give the service of the product for the location based customer. That is nothing but we are going to sell the product those who are needed in the particular location based system. அப்படினா என்ன அப்படினா for example ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்டை சேல் பண்றோம் அப்படினா வந்து யாருக்கு தேவை அந்த லொகேஷன்ஸ்ல whether it is important or not. For example, in the remote village area we don't want the mall because no one is aware about mall ideas. So in that particular area, for example, in the remote area la poi நம்ம ஒரு mall வெச்சு run பண்றோம் அப்படினா it is not a good idea. So this is the suitable example for what is geo marketing. So I am going to tell about the definition of geo marketing. So it is one of the most effective digital marketing strategies for the marketers today. So it going to allows you to the hyper target and directly engage the potential customers in the remote village area or it is in the local region of the area. So it may be of contains many systems that is incorporated with the location based intelligence to improve the messages and reaching the target audience for the given opportunity of that particular moment or the particular product of the system. Okay, next will be the guidelines for preparing the geo marketing. So that is nothing but where you are and who you are, that is the product to whom the product may be reached and whether the product is benefit by the customer or not. That is the main principle behind the geo marketing, that is where you are and who you are. So the idea is that locations of a potential customer visits to tell about what the product will be, what the item will be. We are going to give the information about the particular item. So next will be the what are the types comes under the geo marketing. So there are many types available in the geo marketing. There are four types will be available. First one will be the geo fencing, second one is geo targeting, geo consequence and BR-cons. So what does mean by geo targeting? So it is nothing but we are going to target a potential customers by using their browsing IP address. We all know that while searching the product and where the product where the customer is present in the current location, because all of the people are using the mobile, Android or iPhone users, all will be tuning us on. That is the location. We are just on the location based devices. Where you are அப்படிங்கறத வந்து கண்டிப்பா நம்ம ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். So that is the main one. So that is the geo marketing. We are going to send or sell the product by using their web browsing IP address. So that is the geo targeting. So here in the geo targeting it uses the GPRS location also for identifying the potential customer for the particular product. So next will be the geo fencing. Geo fencing is nothing but it is a mobile generation solution to conversion behind web-based targeting, web-based geo targeting. So geo fencing marketers utilize the customers' mobile devices previous than the GPS location based of the IP addresses. So it overcomes the geo targeting disadvantages to improve the customers' satisfaction behind the product. So that's why we are going for geo fencing. For example, if a shop detects a customer near to the particular limit, that is the limit for the customer. So it uses the marketing strategies. So we all know that we are frequently giving the discount coupons and card bill statement. That is while using the credit card, we are giving some kind of percentage of discount we are giving. So like that we are going to attract the customer based on some kind of advantages like coupons and if maybe the customer is coming for the store in the first time, means we just giving the offers for the first time visitors. We are going to give the 100 rupees as a discount count for that. So this is the basic strategies behind the geo targeting. So This video discusses about the geo marketing and what are the types available under the geo marketing. For example, how the product is selling in the location based system. So that is the main concept behind the geo marketing. So in this video we discussed about the what is the definition about the geo marketing, digital marketing, and what are the types available under the geo marketing and how it is benefited by the users. Thank you.